At 5 p.m., the final ice block was put in place atop the main tower, signaling the structural completion of this year's iconic centerpiece. Reports indicate the tower consumed a staggering 39,000 cubic meters of ice, securing its status as the tallest and largest singular ice construction in this edition of the festival. A key highlight during the festival will be an interactive illumination ceremony for the tower.
The main tower for the 27th Harbin Ice and Snow World is named Ice Lanterns Ignite Dreams. Its design incorporates the Chinese character for mountain, embraced by snowflakes, creating a poetic tribute to a fairy tale world of ice and snow. It also draws inspiration from the steadfastness and grandeur of mountains, symbolizing the enduring strength of ecological balance and sustainable development.